I'm Zarafshaan Nadeem and I'm an international student at Universal Business School. I am from the city of Joy, Kolkata. A good education is the foundation of a better future. These words started lingering in my mind when I started to decide what career choice I should make. There comes a point in every individual's life and he starts questioning what he should do with his life next. So, like every individual, these thoughts and questions started haunting my thoughts and dreams. So I decided that after doing a quick research and thinking during my graduation what I should do next, I decided that I want to do my MBA. Like every individual, I too, like many Indians, many individuals, they have a dream of studying abroad. So I had an American dream of pursuing my higher studies in abroad. But due to pandemic, my parents as well as I myself was a bit skeptical that how could this dream come true. So I researched about some of the good colleges where I could get a good global exposure, and that's when I came across Universal Business School. Universal Business School is one of the first B schools to get an AICTE degree approved, as well as having foreign collaborations with various partner universities abroad from UK, USA, Bulgaria, as well as Spain. So when I researched more about Universal Business School, I was very shocked as well as I was excited, and I started picturing myself to be a student at UBS. And today I am here sitting giving an interview about how my experience is at UBS. So I would like to start by saying that it has been a wonderful roller coaster ride. I could say that and a roller coaster that only went up for me. I started by getting dropped by my parents at the UBS gate, and it was the monsoon season, which is the best time to visit Karjat. And there was rain all over, as well as the scenic mountains, the beautiful lush green campus, as well as the atmosphere over here. When I entered UBS, I saw and I felt a deep connection itself from the day one, and I felt that this institution is truly universal in every aspect. I felt that it has a very rich culture and diversity where students from different backgrounds, culture, different parts of India come to study, and I was really taken. I was very proud about my country as well. The institute has a dedicated team of faculty, sustainable student environment, global exposure, experiential learning, practical learning, textual learning, as well as community learning with great placement opportunities. And I would like to highlight by saying a new concept that our institute bring into practice in the MBA was that we, as a part of our community learning and individual learning as well as industrial learning, we our institute designed a concept called the CMAPS. Now what is CMAPS? CMAPS is collaborative multidisciplinary approach towards problem solving. So before we enter into SIP, which is the summer internship program, which is a part of every MBA curriculum, where we work in any organization for 2 to 3 months. So when we enter that, most of us are freshers, some of us are experienced. So a lot of freshers face problem, how to adjust, and they take time to adapt. So according to CMAPS, what happens is that before the students go for SIP, they are given a problem statement by various companies, and they could work for 1 month to solve those problems, real life business problems, and be able to apply the practical approach towards solving via the textual as well as the conceptual and teachings that we have learned from here at UBS. And I would like to say that all the students of UBS, we have been taught so well that we all gained success in applying the teachings into real world solving of the business problems. All of us were given a problem statement which was actually a tough nut to crack, but we were all successful in doing it. True motivation comes from achievement, satisfaction, recognition, and I would love to say that I have received all these from my institute, Universal Business School. starting from being motivated always to strive and push harder to become a transformed leader by my program director, Professor Vijay Tandon, to being nurtured like a child to grow into a successful lady from a girl by my mentors, Professor Salma and Dr. Asha Bhatia, and my amazing faculty guides. It has been a journey of true and constant hard work, motivation, dedication, and perseverance. And today I can say that I have a list of achievements that I have received via UBS, starting from being a program committee member for the international program, to being the class representative, to being able to represent my college at GBSN contest in association with the Hanken School of Economics, as well as being part of the events and operations head of the marketing club of UBS Matchbox. I've always been a marketing enthusiast, and it grew deeper and deeper by being a part of this club. I organized various events starting from unseasonalized to the Matchbox events and all the marketing events that have been organized. It has been under my support to my club, as well as I have also won various achievements by taking part in various club activities that are organized at UBS. It never gets, the students at UBS never get bored because we have so much to do. And I also became the speaker of the year, as well as I also flagged at the Flag the Club event. I was able to secure the first position for my club, the Matchbox. I have always had a dream to study in America, and like thousands of students who would like to have an American dream of studying abroad, I got this opportunity to study at Lincoln University, which has been in existence since 1919. It has a long history of inviting various international students from all across the globe, and also known for the rich education that it provides to its students. I am very lucky that I have gotten this opportunity to go to the partner university via UBS. I would like to thank my institute, the Universal Business School, for truly transforming my life. I feel that I came here as a little girl, and now I'm ready to take on the world as a leader. I would like to thank our chairman, Mr. Tarun Singh Anand, and my program director, Professor Vijay Tandon. He has always taught us to act as a catalyst and be the wave of change. I would also like to thank my mentors, Professor Salma Nasser and Dr. Asha Bhatia, for nurturing us in every mentoring session for our overall and all-round development. Also, I would like to thank the institute and all the faculty guide for being the best faculty ever that one could have in their entire MBA journey. This 1 year at UBS has been the best and the most memorable journey I have had at UBS, and I feel blessed to have been bestowed with such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you.